This is my Facebook application without the Meta AI search, and here is after getting it. So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can get this Meta AI search option in your Facebook application. If I go to the settings of my Facebook menu, and if I go into these settings, I have explored almost every option from here, but I don't get any option for turning it on or turning this feature off. So the only method I explored is as follows. So you have to close the Facebook application, and after that go into your app store if you are on iPhone, and go into your Play Store if you are on Android. And after that you have to go into the search button and type in here Facebook and hit the search button. And when this Facebook app appears up, you have to tap on that, and you have to first of all update this Facebook application by just tapping on this update button here. This is the most mandatory step to get this Meta AI option in your Facebook account. After updating your Facebook application, you will get this Meta AI option in your Facebook app. But if this thing didn't work and you don't get Meta AI even after updating, what you have to do is you have to uninstall the Facebook application and install it again. I hope that this thing will fix the issue and you will get the Meta AI option after you reinstall your Facebook application. But if this thing also didn't work, and even if you are not getting this update option here and you just see the open option, or your app is already up to date but you're not getting this, then the problem would be your old iOS or old Android version. For example, if I go to my software update, here you can see that I have the latest iOS version. If you are on Android, you have to check whether you have the latest Android version or not, as some applications can't be updated on old iOS or Android versions. The reason may be you have a too old phone and you are not able to update your iOS or Android version, or even if you have a new phone, you may not have manually updated it from a very long time. So just go ahead and update your software, and after that update your Facebook application, and you will get this Meta AI option in your Facebook application. But if this thing also didn't work, let's move to the last method which works 100%. You have to go to your Facebook application, and after that you have to go to your profile menu from here and scroll down here on this page, go to help and support, and here you get the third option, report a problem. You have to tap on that, and from here you have to select continue to report. From this page here you have to select include. From here you have to select the relevant category you have the problem with. For example, it may be search, and select search. Now this is the most important thing here. You have to write exactly the same thing I am writing. So you have to type in here, hi, I am not getting the Meta AI feature in my Facebook application. Even my Facebook app is up to date and all of my friends are using it, which means it is also available in my region. Kindly allow this feature in my account too. Waiting for your favorable response. And just write a thanks and just send this report, and within 48 hours hopefully they'll allow this feature in your Facebook application. By the way, I'm sure that you won't have to move up to this thing, because the first three methods I've explained will work for you and you will get this Meta AI option. Now tell me in the comments that which thing worked for you, so it may be a big help for the others. You can also ask for any of the questions in the comments if you have. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.